Hi, good afternoon, traders. I'd like to share another trade that I have yesterday. In fact, this trade wasn't actually. I just put a trade and I call it. I just set and forget kind of attitude actually, because I was watching this pair for quite sometimes since last week, and I can see that this pair actually trade in the range. Yeah, you can see that this is a monthly time frame and it has been trading in the range for months since if we go back all the way to 2016, right? And the high was 1.14, right? And in last year the high was 1.1. Okay, it made a low of 0.99. It is one is to almost 1:1 to New Zealand dollar. And in toward the whole last year, actually it made a low to of 1.04. Okay, so I was waiting for this pair for a long time. I mean, since last week, looking for, and my bias is actually to buy the Australia and sell the New Zealand dollar. Okay, again on a weekly time frame, I can see clearly that this pair is in a range. Likewise in a monthly time frame, so it's in a daily time frame. Okay, so I can see that this pair was trading in a very narrow range. So I go down to 4 hourly time frame, and I can spot that there are plenty of low here, which means that there are a lot of stop loss below here. All right, there are a lot of stop loss below there, then a lot of stop loss above as well. Okay, and here as well you can see that there's another multiple low, and here again multiple low, and here again multiple low, right? So there are a lot of stop there, so this pair is basically trade in the range. So what I did was I went to 4 hour 1 hour time frame, right? And I think I mentioned this in the trading room, right? For those people who are subscriber, since I think 3 weeks ago, I mentioned that I'm looking to long, but somehow uh, that was the time I'm looking for to long here, right? And the price just simply, sorry, not that. This is a 1 hour time frame, right? So I was looking for long in a daily time frame. Okay, I was waiting for price to come here to test, right? But it just didn't come down, right? And so I decided, okay, well, this pair is likely to continue to trade in the range. So I go to the 1 hour time frame, right? So when I was looking at this price was coming down, right? So I can see clearly there are stop loss above, very clear, right? We can see, everybody can see that there are a lot of stop loss here, and I can see also that there is this ERC here, which tells me that there are a lot of gaps here inside the body of the ERC gaps, right? And so we like to trade gaps, right? For those people who are in my program, you know that we pay special attention to these gaps, right? And I was thinking that, well, I think the price finally coming down to test this low, to grab all this, test the low, and go up higher. So my high was somewhere here, right? I was looking at this high, right? But I was thinking, okay, well, maybe I put my TP here, right? I want to cheat the market a little bit, right? So make sure if I get into the trade, I want to make sure that I get TP before the price go down. So I cheat the market a little bit by putting my TP there. So I was initially putting my buy limit there and my stop loss here. Okay, I was hoping the price will come down to trigger my buy limit. Right, let me share with you. Okay, just to show you, that was my initial, my first order I put in. Later on, I cancel. You can see that there was 17, right, about 2:30. I cancel my order. I decided, well, I'm going to put my order at 7,500, 7,509, and my TP is about 0,800, right? So my stop loss is 7,400. That was a trade I put in eventually at about 18 on 456. All right. So so let's go to our chart again. So here, so I moved my entry to 74 here. Okay. So let me remove this all this first. Okay. So I decide initially, I decide, okay, well, since I see there is also a lot of stop below here, I decide to put my entry at 74, right? 7400. This is 74. My entry is 07400, right? Sorry, that was stop loss. Entry was a 0750. Okay, entry is 0750. So I put my entry at 0750. Okay, there. Now, why I put my stop loss there? While there is actually there is a double, there is a double bottom below. Why I put slightly above, right? Because again, the same thing. I was worried that the price might not come lower and just just touch and go without me, right? Because that low, the candle low, this candle low was 0747. So I put 50, which is 3 pips above the low. I want to make sure that if the price come down, I want to get in, right? So I was expecting price to actually come lower than the low, right? Because there's stop hunting, right? And then before it go up here, right? I would go up, and knowing that there are a lot of gaps here in this ERC body, I think that very likely if the price goes up, it will easily go up to this high, right? At 0808. But then again, I want to cheat the market, so I put my TP at around this area, right? Just short of so that was, I was expecting price to do this way, go up, right? Go up here, test, and then come here. Okay, 0800. So my stop loss was exactly 1.0800, I think. So that was my imaginary movement about Australia, New Zealand last week, yesterday. So my order was there, right? My stop loss was at 0400, right? Which was below this low here, right? That low is 0742. So I put 0400. That was my stop loss. So, and you see, let's see what happened to the price move, right? So price really come down. You can see this candlestick. Let's move away. See this candlestick? Price really come down to grab the stop loss below here. Okay, but my order is here, so my order wasn't triggered. And what happened after they grab the stop loss here? Price goes up and grab the stop loss above. Can you see now? This is exactly what I meant. Again, I repeat again and again. I say that market is always doing stop hunting, right? So if you are trading with a traditional indicator, there's really no chance, because every now and then you are being put into this kind of situation to being test again, right? You will fail, right? So that's the reason why I strongly discourage people to use the indicator to trade. Now you can see this candlestick alone, it whacked both sides. It whacked the below stop loss, you whack the upper stop loss. All right, and then see what happened after that. Okay, price go down again another time, whack again, and this time whack even lower the stop loss below here, right? And now my order get triggered and it goes up again second time. See these two candle, right? All the stop loss get gone, all right, gone. Let's take a look again. Continue. Price come back again. Not enough. Want the stop loss another time. See again, right? They want to make sure that all people who are buying or buy order put their stop loss below. Make sure they all clear before they want to move the price higher. Okay, and now after 1, 2, 3, 4 candle, the whack both sides, and the fifth one. Okay, now finally we see the price break above, right? Break above this trading range, and it goes to where? It goes to straight to my target, right? That was the level the market is eyeing. but this price end up go to where, what level, go to 1.08, exactly where I put my TP, 1.08, right? And I was out with a even I don't get out, the next candle took me out. So my trade was entering here in this area. My stop loss was below here, this candlestick there, right? So this is my risk, and my target was here. Okay, so so when I put in the order, I never think that price will come. I thought that price the most, maybe just come here and do some stop hunting, and then you will just go out, right? And I just, okay, just put my order in for fun, right? And I never expect price to be taken in. Okay, and only until just now, all right, until just now, like 10 minutes ago, then when I take a look, hey, I still have an order on the Australia, New Zealand, and this pair has moved up. Why? What happened? Did my order get triggered? I wasn't I wasn't know that my order was triggered, and my order already out with a profit, right? So later on, when I got logged in my account, then I realized that my order was already triggered yesterday, last night, right? And I already to take profit. I'm out of the market, right? So what I'm going to share you in this video is this, right? Now, sometimes we get too eager to trade, right? Now imagine if I put my buy limit below this stop loss, all right? Initially I was thinking of this or the low here. So if I put my buy limit there, where am I going to put my stop loss? Am I going to put a stop loss below this low here, right? If I put my stop below, sometime it might get up again, right? So what I want to say is, it is sometimes to make money in the forex market is, we try to put, if we can say, okay, if the price go away without my order, without trigger my order, it's fine, right? I wait for another opportunity, and this is what I'm trying to share with you this video, right? If should I put my order here, enter here, I have a problem putting my stop loss, right? Is it going to be here, right? If I put here, well, maybe it never get triggered, right? But if the price slide lower, I get stop out before the price goes up, right? So that is a thing, right? So I decided, okay. So last night I decided, okay, since since there's a potential price might come even in this area, why not I put somewhere here is my entry and my stop loss below, right? So I know the chances for the price to come down not as high as coming to this low here. So but that's the reason why I also totally forget about this trade, right? And it went down, took my trade, and go up, take my profit, and then I'm out of the trade, right? So always put your entry to the level where you think that price is unlikely to go. But if the price go there, chances are you're going to make money, right? That's the message I'm trying to show with this video, right? Once again, thank you very much. And if you are interested in what I do, you're welcome to join our community, right? We have DIY course where you can learn everything on your own video, and after which you will have one-on-one coaching with myself, and you can also have a free trade alert, right, for the first couple of months, free, and follow my trades. Okay, so if you're interested, click our link below and join our community. Right, thank you very much, and see you in the next video.